So today we'll be talking about a thing called commission. Now, commission is just another way of being paid by getting a percentage of the sales. Now, when we're talking about percentage of something, if we have percent of a number, we're going to take the percent, divide by 100, and then times by the number. We did that a long time ago, and we'll do some practice for today. Now, when you hear the concept of straight commission, okay, straight commission means that you're only getting commission alone. So while salary plus commission means you have a salary and then you get a percentage of the sales. So some examples of that are telemarketers, which call you at like 6 o'clock at night. You got car salesperson. And then there are many other types of salespeople, like people that work in shoe stores and things like that. Now, if we were looking for a part-time job in a sporting goods store, you're going to be paid minimum wage plus salary, minimum wage salary plus commission or straight commission. Now, you as an adult or a worker want to figure out how you know which is going to be the best way to get paid. Now, for you got to figure out how much is the average sales for an employee, because sometimes if you don't make enough sales, you'll make less than your salary. And the opposite could be the same, where you make more wages than your salary. So you got to choose which one you're going to do, either commission or sales plus commission. Now let's move on to the new concept. So just remember, commission is just earnings based on a percentage made. So if I'm looking at a percentage, so let's say I make a commission of 8% of $2,000. How would I do that? Well, we take 8, we divide it by 100, multiply by 2,000, and we get our final answer in dollars, which gives us $160. So now do the same question, the same for the next question where we have 3.25%, and we'll see what we get. So now you're going to get 3.25 divided by 100 times 225,000, which gives us this final answer. So you end up with 7,312.5, but because we have dollars and cents, we have to put the 0 at the end. Now this gives us the actual 50 cents to that final answer here. Okay, now we'll move on to the next concept, which is a word problem. So imagine you have this problem where Jason works in a shoe store, right? And he earns a salary of $240 a week. So we're going to start by writing out what the salary is. So the salary is $240, right? And then he's going to make 6% commission in addition to that salary. And it's all going to be based on his $3,000 worth of shoe sales. So in this case, the commission, let's call it the COM, is going to be 6% of 3,000. So we're going to go 6 divided by 100, and we're just going to times that by 3,000. So that tells us that our commission is $180. So now we have to take these two things and put them together in a total. And in this case, we're going to have the salary plus the commission. And we end up with a total pay of $420 because we added those two numbers. On to the next concept. Okay, so now imagine you have just commission. So this is straight commission. So Bianca, she works selling cosmetics and she's paid 25% of her total sales. So let's take a moment and calculate that. So when you add up all of these numbers here, that means we have a total of $519. Okay, $590. So that means her total sales was $519, right? For the week. Now, we're going to calculate her commission. Now, remember, her commission was 25%. So we're going to have to write 25% of 519. And all we're going to go is do 25 divided by 100, and we're going to multiply by 519. So that means she's going to get $129.75. Now, we're going to use something from our previous calculations, to do Part B. It says calculator annual earnings. So if I make that money, if I make $129.75 for the commission in 1 week, how much money will she make annually? So we're going to take that number, and because it's weeks, we got to times this by 52. And that's because we have 52 weeks in a year. So the annual salary is going to be 129.75 times 52, which gives us a total of $6,747. And we are done. And that's our total salary for the year. So that's not a lot based on her sales. Maybe Bianca needs to find a new job in order to find a way to live and pay for her own place, pay for a car, things like that.